Hello everyone, I'm your educator Amit Anand, faculty of Quant and LRDI, and welcome to the world of competition. Here you can get anything about MBA. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss a full MBA syllabus, CAT syllabus, really CAT syllabus for 2020-22 candidates. Okay, for 2021 candidates, I already discussed about a strategy, what what is the right strategy. I discussed in a last video, so you may watch that video. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss our 2020-22 candidates. What is the real syllabus of CAT? Many person don't know about the real syllabus of CAT and actually what CAT asks. Many types of student in India follow the banking syllabus and they understand that this is the real syllabus of CAT. But many students who are in a right institute and in front of a right teacher and right direction, so they know very well about the right syllabus of the CAT. So today I'm going to discuss whatever person who don't know about the syllabus of CAT. So I want to discuss about the real CAT syllabus. Okay. So talking about the three section of the CAT: LRDI, quantitative aptitude, and VARC, verbal ability and reading comprehension. So I am going to discuss two part of the CAT. This is first is quantitative aptitude and second is LRDI. So firstly, let's start with LRDI section. So what only CAT actually asked in the examination in LRDI section. Okay, so let's start. In LRDI section, first topic is linear arrangement. You have to work more and more on linear arrangement chapter because it's a basic part of the CAT and other examination also, but it's the most valuable topic for CAT examination. So talking about the second, this is a matrix arrangement. Matrix arrangement are very important topic for the CAT examination, so you have to work on this chapter also. Third is DI. DI, calculation based. So you have to work on the DI chapter. It is also work in calculation based. DI in CAT exam is asked based on the calculation. So you have to work on the calculation first because you will be appearing in the next CAT 2020-22. So you have to appear in CAT examination also. So you have to work on this chapter. So second is what? Matrix based. First is linear arrangement. Third is DI based calculation. DI based calculation means you have to work on the calculation and the basic part of arithmetic. Fourth is fill in the blanks. Many types of question asking fill in the blanks in arithmetic based. So you have to work on this chapter also. Logic based DI. CAT examination and different types of examination also ask a logic based DI. But if you are preparing for the CAT examination, then you will have to study definitely logic based DI. Okay, so you have to work on the logic based DI also because it is very important for you. Then again, roots and network. This is a most valuable part of the CAT, roots and network. Every year CAT asks and different way. So there are many point in root and network. So firstly, you have to learn the basic part of the root and networks, and then you have to work on the many types of set. Again, you have to work on the advanced concept of root and network, and you have to work on the many types of the set related to root and network. So next, binary logic. It's a truth and die. You missed it there. You want to there? Yeah. So this is related to full root and net binary logic. Roots and binary logic means that truth and lie. Okay. Next is games and tournament. In games and tournament, CAT always ask this types of chapter. So you have to work on this chapter also. Games and tournament. Okay. Again is Venn diagram. Venn diagram chapter is very important for any examination, but if you ask If CAT ask this chapter, then in different types of way CAT ask Venn diagram. Means that first is a maxima and minima based Venn diagram. Second is up to three valuable based Venn diagram. Means picture based, three picture based, four picture based, five picture based. They connect 2 point, means that three picture based with four picture based. These types of thing CAT always ask in CAT examination. Okay. Again, you have to work on a last mathematical puzzle. You have to work on the mathematical puzzle also. Means that you have a knowledge about the mathematics as well as puzzle. So you have to connect both of the things and make a one topic that's called a mathematical puzzle. So you have to work on mathematical puzzle also. So LRDI, linear arrangement, matrix, DI based calculation, fill in the blanks, logic based DI, roots and network, binary logic, games and tournament, Venn diagram, and last but not the least, mathematical puzzle. So you have to work on this chapter. This is a real syllabus of CAT. So you have to work on this chapter and make it strong, and after more and more practice, and definitely you will be crack the CAT exam easily. Okay. Talking about the quantitative aptitude, and firstly, arithmetic based quantitative aptitude you have to cover fully. Means that some topic CAT always ask like time and work, pipe and cistern, time, speed and distance, profit and loss, percentage, ratio. Okay, these types of chapter CAT always ask. Okay, so you have to cover firstly this. Before going to this topic, you have to cover on the calculation. Your calculation speed must be increased. If your calculation speed is increased, so you have to cover this chapter in easily way. And remember always that percentage and ratio is a backbone of any arithmetic chapter. So you have to cover percentage and ratio in full chapter wise. Means that you have to knowledge about everything about percentage and ratio and proportion. So then you have to go to next topic. Okay. Then after that you talking about next chapter. So it is algebra, and algebra 10 to 12 question asked every year in the CAT examination related to algebra. Okay. In algebra you have to cover linear. Second is indices. Third is quadratic, polynomial, inequality. This is a part of algebra and algebraic identity also. So you have to cover in this chapter because it's a favorite topic of CAT, and this area of algebra every year asked in CAT examination. Okay. Talking about the next is function, set theory, logarithm. Okay, this topic is always asked in CAT examination. Talking about the logarithm, the 2 to 3 question every year asked in CAT examination related to logarithm. Talking about the function chapter is also asked in CAT examination. Okay. So you have to work on this chapter also. After that, I want to say that quadratic equation means that a x square plus bx plus c, and maxima minima value of quadratic equation, function and graph, in function based, graph based, many types of pattern you have to cover. After that you will be covered on the topic geometry and mensuration. Geometry and mensuration very vast topic, but you have to cover in the last, because this topic are related to function and graph, algebra, arithmetic. These are very interesting topic of CAT, and many types of a bundle of question asked every year from this topic. So you have to cover first this, then go to algebra, then go to geometry and mensuration. Okay. So this is the full syllabus of the CAT related to quantitative aptitude and LRDI. If you are a candidate who will be appear in next CAT examination, means date 2022. So start with your basic part. Firstly, strong your basic part, then move on moderate, then move on advanced, then move on advanced plus. Okay. And after that 7 to 8 months, in 7 months you will complete your CAT syllabus. After that you will only give a mock 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, whatever time you have for CAT examination. Before CAT examination, you have to cover 50 plus full length mock. Then you will be eligible for the CAT, and you will definitely crack the CAT examination, because all things are in systematic way. So, okay, so you have to work on that topic also, and start preparation from now. If you want to think to go to real world if you want to go in business line, if you want to crack the CAT examination next year, and don't think so much, and appear in an institute, get admission in an institute, and start your preparation. Okay, thank you so very much. I will meet you in next video from next strategy and next thing, new thing in front of you. Thank you.